Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. So if you want to completely delete the photos from the iCloud and if you wanted to keep it on your iPhone, this is what you have to do. The first one is all about you have to go over to the settings. Make sure that your iPhone is having enough space. For that, just go to the general. From here, just tap on the iPhone storage and make sure that you're having enough space, or else you'll not be able to download the photos from there or move the photos from iCloud to the iPhone. So here, as you can see, in my case, I'm having a space of 17.56 GB. So I'm fine with it and I'm good to go. So next, if you're having space, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the profile over here at the top. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and tap on the iCloud. From here, you have to tap on the photos over here. And what you need to do is we have two options right now. This has been set into optimize iPhone storage. So if you wanted to transfer the photos from the iCloud and keep it on my iPhone, what I need to do is change this to download and keep originals over here. So right now what happens is the photos from the iCloud is there, and also you'll be having the original photos over here as well. So as you can see, it says this iPhone is currently storing the original photos and videos. Turn on optimize storage and save them if you're not having space, but in my case I'm having the space, so I'll keep to this. But somehow down the road, if you think that you wanted to completely delete the photos from the iCloud but you wanted to keep it on your iPhone, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, turn off sync this over here. You can just turn it off, and that is what you have to do. And right now these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.